AI Paper Drafter tutorial. Open the AI Paper Drafter by clicking on either the top menu or the pop-up box. You will have to answer 4 questions to get a full draft of your research paper. Carefully read the instructions for each question and answer in as much detail as possible. The more information you include in your responses, the more robust the provided paper draft will be. Once you have answered the 4 questions, the draft of your paper will be written or generated here. Please give it a minute to run. It is writing a whole paper. Once the paper draft is generated, click Insert Text to insert the draft into the text editing area. Then, choose one of the button options to continue your work.